Hello my dear students, this is English class of class 2. Yesterday we finished our first chapter with all the exercises. Today we are going to take chapter 2, that is a poem. Let's start. The name of the chapter is All the Bells Were Ringing. Here you can see one girl is sitting under the tree and there is one doll in her hand and she is crying. Yes, this is the poem about this girl only. So let's read. All the bells were ringing and all the birds were singing when Molly sat down crying for her broken doll. Oh, you silly Moll, sobbing and sighing for a broken doll. When all the bells are ringing and all the birds are singing. So, according to the poet, my dear students, there was one girl and she was sitting in the garden under a tree. On that tree, few birds were singing and there were few bells and the bells were ringing. But what was Molly doing? She was crying. Why she was crying? She was crying for a broken doll. Yes, it happens to you too sometime. See, when you have a beautiful toy that you loved a lot and if that toy will broke, so what will you do? You will cry, of course, yes. So, in the same way, Molly was also crying. She was sobbing and sighing for a broken doll when all the bells were ringing and all the birds were singing. So, the poet tried to ask Molly not to cry and that because she can purchase a new doll to play with. So dear students, if you also broke your toy or you lost your toy, need not to cry. You should be brave. You can get another. Otherwise, as poet calls Molly a silly girl, in the same way anyone can call you the silly. That time you will not feel good. So be brave and try to learn the poem as well as try to understand it. See, let us revise it one more time. All the bells were ringing and all the birds were singing when Molly sat down crying for her broken doll. Oh, you silly Moll, sobbing and sighing for a broken doll when all the bells are ringing and all the birds are singing. So dear student, in this way we have finished our explanation part of second chapter. Now we are going to do the exercises because it is the time to do the exercises. Here given the dictation. First is bells, another one ringing, then singing, then Molly, crying, broken, sobbing, sighing, loudly and sound. So students, try to learn them and mention them in your notebook. Okay my dear students, let us do the word power now. First one is sobbing. Sobbing means crying loudly. Second one is ringing. Ringing means the sound of a bell. Sobbing means crying loudly and ringing means the sound of a bell. You can learn them and you can write them in the notebooks too. So, let us do the fill in the blanks now. The bells were ringing, yes. The birds were singing, yes my dear students. And what was Molly doing? Molly sat down crying, yes she was crying. Let us revise them again. The bells were ringing, the birds were singing, the Molly sat down crying. Now dear student, it's time to do the question answer. So let's proceed. First question is, what were the birds doing? The birds were singing. Yes, good. Then second one is, what were the bells doing? The bells were ringing. Yes, of course. What is the third one? What was Molly doing? Molly was crying. Number 4th is, why was Molly crying? Molly was crying for her broken doll. 5th one is, why does the poet call Molly a silly girl? The poet called Molly a silly girl because she was crying for her broken doll. So dear students, in this way we have completed our second chapter. Tomorrow I will come back with the grammatical exercise. So till then, stay safe, be at home and do this work in your homework copy as well as fill it in your books also. Bye.